Hey guys, we have here Piggly, our little live pet, and in this video we want to explain to you how to replace the battery on one of these toys. So this procedure is really easy. All we need is to take a look at the bottom of the Piggly and then make sure that we have the switch on the off position. That's the middle, the center position. And then right next to the switch here we have the battery compartment with this little Phillips screw. So we're going to take a small Phillips screwdriver and we're going to remove this carefully. This is only going to need a couple of revolutions, and then we can pop off here this cover here, the battery cover. And underneath we are going to find 3 AA batteries. And we have to make sure to remember the correct orientation of the batteries. You see here the outer two ones, they have the positive side facing out, and then the one in the middle has the negative side facing out. And we can also see this, if you do forget about this, how we do this, and we can see here on the back side of the cover how it's just supposed to be. So the spring part, the one with the spring, is supposed to touch the negative side of the battery. So we are going to have here 3 AA batteries. That's what we need. And once we remove the old batteries, you can simply slide in the new ones. Again, remember the correct orientation. So here the first one goes here with the negative side in first. And then the same counts for the battery on the far right. Also here the negative side in first, and then the battery in the center, that has to go in with the positive side first. Okay, just like this. Okay, and now we can already reassemble everything. So we're going to take the cover and we're going to slide it in here on the back side of the little Piggly. We slide that in there first. You see this little pin here that has to go in first, and then we're going to use our thumb and we're going to press firmly on this because there's a lot of tension that holds this cover. So we push against it, and then we're going to use our Phillips screwdriver again. We're going to tighten that screw back up. Okay, so yeah, that was already it on how to replace the batteries on the Piggly. And hope you found this video helpful, and if you have any more questions or comments, then please leave a message below.